Obesity costs this country about $150 billion a year, or almost 10% of the national medical budget. Approximately 1 in 3 adults and 1 in 6 children are obese. Obesity is epidemic in the United States and a major cause of death attributable to heart disease, cancer, and diabetes.
Before coming to the White House, the President and I lived lives like most families. 2 working parents. I was busy trying to maintain some balance, picking kids up from school, trying to get things done at work, just too busy, not enough time. And what I found myself doing was probably making up for it and being unable to cook a good meal for my kids. Going to fast food a little more than I'd like, ordering pizza, and I started to see the effects on my family, particularly my kids. It got to the point where our pediatrician basically said, you may want to make some changes. So started making those changes, short, easy changes, but they led to some really good results. So I wanted to bring the lessons that I learned to the White House. This led to our new initiative, Let's Move. Let's Move is a nationwide initiative that basically focuses on 4 key components. First, we want to improve information and the tools that parents need to make the changes that are desired in their families. The second is that we have to improve the quality of food in our schools. That's where kids are eating many of their meals, and we have to do a better job of making sure that that food is quality. Third, we need to improve access and affordability of healthy foods. We have to eliminate food deserts in this country, and we need to do it now. And finally, we have to increase physical education for our kids. We need to get them moving. And we're going to be relying a lot on major sports organizations to help us achieve that goal. And we're very excited about that.
On a hot summer day in July of 2010, the First Lady launched her Chef Move to School initiative. This initiative aims to tap into the creative power and potential that chefs have to help transform our schools to be places that support the health and nutrition of our nation's kids.
Good nutrition at school is more important than ever. That's why we created the Chef's Move to Schools program, to pair chefs like you with interested schools in your local communities. And together you'll be helping students learn where food comes from and develop healthy habits. You'll be elevating the role of food in our schools and working to create healthy meals on a budget.
Wholesome Wave is all about seeing that everybody, regardless of income, has access to locally grown, affordable, fresh food. And we believe if we accomplish that people living in poverty are going to be healthier and have better lives, and we also believe it's going to improve the lives and the income of small and mid-sized local farmers.
Some of our children living in circumstances of urban poverty, there is no place to play.
Optimus Healthcare is a private, nonprofit organization offering comprehensive primary healthcare services to all, regardless of insurance coverage or ability to pay. We are the largest provider of primary healthcare services in southwestern Connecticut, from 12 Joint Commission accredited community health centers in Bridgeport, Stamford, and Stratford, open weekends and evenings. We provide primary care, obstetrics and gynecology, dental clinics, behavioral health, and more.
but we've never really paused to listen. And I think Design for Change's probably biggest contribution has been this act of listening. We hand over the power to the children. This message, telling the children you can, is a universal idea. Children were telling us that they don't have to be rich or strong or powerful to make change happen. They were telling us, I can.
So on August 15th, again, Independence Day, 2009, we empowered 100,000 children to say, I can.
TED simply exploded the reach of Design for Change. So from going from being an idea in India, it traveled around the world.
And the winner of the Index Award 2011 in the work category is a design based on a school competition program designed to enable children to express their own ideas for a better world. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kiran Birsetti and Pranay Desai. We can.
Yes,
Fantastic.
we can.
So,
I said it before Obama.
Design for Change would like to give a big hug to the Rockefeller Foundation for honoring these young heroes and telling every adult that yes, superheroes are not in fairy tales. They are in every child who says, I can, instead of can I. Thank you.
I see this as a wonderful, constructive gift to the school, the community, the nation, and now I learn to many other countries around the world. So here's to Design for Change.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.